Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a lovely 6,238 square feet, two-story dwelling. It is located in Linstead, St. Catherine. The downstairs consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept living and dining room, kitchen, washroom, double carport, veranda, and helper's quarters with ensuite bathroom. The upper floor has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, veranda, and attic. It also comes with air conditioning units, hot and cold water, walk-in closets, kennel, fruit trees, separate GPS meters for up and downstairs, and fully walled yard of 0.17 acre. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.